Hey guys, RTT back here for the video. Guys, today we're doing an unboxing of the brand new Samsung Smart Tag that actually just came out recently. Now we'll be comparing in this video to, of course, the Apple AirTag that we got recently about a couple months ago. So we're going to see how this actually compares. I will say you can see my AirTag has seen better days, as of course I use it every single day with my keys. So starting off right away, the unboxing is pretty simple for the the Galaxy Tag, Smart Tag. It is just simply a left little sticker right here. Go ahead and pull that off, and then of course a right sticker right here. Go ahead and get that off, and we should be able to open up this box, no issue at all. Watch me have an issue. I'm just like, it's so easy to open up this box, and now I'm gonna have an issue opening up this box. Not sure with Samsung, they always have like weird thing with the boxes, like opening them up. Alright, so should be able to do that, and then that should just come out just like this. Hopefully. Theoretically speaking, this should just slide out, but there we go. So here is what the Smart Tag actually looks like. You get a little instruction manual, and of course you do get the main attraction, which is the Smart Tag. Now looking at it compared to Galaxy Smart Tag, comparing it to, of course, the Apple AirTag, it is a lot bigger than the AirTag. Now, this is not spotting my interest in imagination, but I will say I do like it. Does come with a little key holder. For the AirTag, you have to go ahead and get like a Belkin, actually a Belkin case for it to go ahead and put in your keys or something. This definitely gives you a little bit of more flexibility. Having a little tag, a little key holder thing you can put on your keys, no issue at all. Now, this of course is a little bit, on the smaller side. So you can fit this in, like, for example, your wallet. I did this when I first got this, but you want to just slide it right in your wallet, and you can do that like that, which is no issue at all. You can put this in a bag, and there's not really any problem utilizing the AirTag. While the Smart Tag, you're probably going to not put this in your wallet just because, again, it's going to get in the way. It's going to be too thick to get in your wallet. So taking a look at the thickness of these two devices, you can see it's a lot thicker when it comes to the Smart Tag. It's almost not even close when it comes to the thickness level. So it is something interesting. It's a lot to take away. They both are exactly the same price. They're both $25. So whether you do get the Smart Tag or you do get the AirTag, you are spending the exact same amount of money. Now, the cool thing about the AirTag is it does work on Samsung and it works on Apple. So of course you can go ahead and utilize it on both. Apple is more or less the OG, how you use it. But if, let's say, for example, you have your AirTag in a bag and the bag gets lost, anybody, Android or Apple, can scan it and be able to actually utilize it and actually, have it with them and all, be able to see who device it actually belongs to. Nonetheless, though, build quality, wow, it's a lot different. So, on this is completely plastic. The whole entire thing is plastic. It's very, very light. Compared to the AirTag, it is almost, this AirTag feels like 3 to 4 times more heavier than the Galaxy Tag. So that is definitely interesting. Build quality for the AirTag is very, very good. You have aluminum shell in the back here, and on the front you have a hard plastic shell. While, like I said before, for the Galaxy Tag, you simply, of course, have a all plastic design around the whole entire thing. It feels so cheaply made. I can't stress that enough, okay? This feels high quality, premium, and feels amazing. This feels like I got this out of a $3 vending machine or a 25-cent vending machine. I'm not kidding when I say this. This feels like it has technology in it. This feels like it's like when you buy stuff and you get like a little plastic piece in the stuff you buy, like whatever it is, to hold something in together, or just to go ahead and get some extra filling in a box. That's what it feels like. If I were to tell you that these both were the same price and you were to feel both of them in your hand, you would tell me 100% this is not $25. This right here with the build quality and how it looks, I'm not talking about functionality. Functionality is amazing functionality wise, but when it just feels like the feel of it, you would tell me this is probably $3.99. You would probably say this one right here is probably $60. And to be honest, that kind of is the difference on how it feels. Nonetheless, though, overall wise, I will say, with all the, issues with this in this video, it does get the job done. It does exactly what you want and some. It's a really great device to go ahead and have. To go ahead and make sure you track wherever your stuff is going, to know where, your stuff actually is. So it's a really great device, but I will say, like I said before, build quality wise, I couldn't recommend it to a friend. If you have Apple, or if you're looking into it, look into AirTags, because this, too thick, cheaply made. Samsung, you could have done better next time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.